Carnelian is a variety of the mineral chalcedony. Its yellow-orange, reddish-orange to orange-brown color is due to the element iron. The name carnelian derives from the Latin word carneus, which means fleshy in reference to the stone's color. Carnelian is mined worldwide. Most commercial carnelian comes from India, but gem-quality sources also include Brazil, Egypt, and Uruguay. Carnelian has been treasured throughout history and for centuries has been engraved and cut into signet rings and talismans. Ancient Egypt named carnelian the sunset stone because they believed it caught and reflected the heat of the sun and channeled it into the wearer. Nowadays, it's believed that carnelian brings prosperity and good luck. Carnelian is rated 7 on the Mohs scale of hardness. The best way to clean your carnelian stone is with warm soapy water and a soft cloth.